what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can upgrade your previous sprinkler controller, the Rainbird one, to one with Wi-Fi. Things you're going to need for this: you're going to need the new controller, which I'll link to in the description, and the Wi-Fi thing. Now keep in mind your controller has to have this LNK ready thing or else it won't work. Alright, so the first step is to remove the power. As with anything electrical, you have to remove the power to ensure you won't get shocked. I'm just going to leave it right here. See, it's off. Once you've unplugged the power, you're going to want to hit this tab on the side, take it out, and see there's this little jumper cable. You're going to want to remove this. I'm going to do it off camera because it's hard to hold it. And you're going to want to take this controller out. And the way you do that is you lift up this top panel and it will come out. Alright, so what I recommend doing now is to get a 9-volt battery and put it into the ESP, the old one, so you can program the schedules to the new one. As you can see, the battery goes in right there. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it is clipped in there. This is the new one. The next thing you're going to want to do is install the accessory in the accessory port. It just goes in, it's very easy. Just install it. So now you just go through the process of setting it up, like the date and time, and that's it. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm copying all the stuff manually from my old one to the new one. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I need to explain it. Basically all you do the same thing on both: set station runtime, set station runtime, and just copy them. That's basically it. And that is basically it. That is how you replace your old panel with the new one. Alright, so the next part of the setup process is to configure that little Wi-Fi controller. You want to make sure it's blinking green and red. If it isn't, just press the button a couple of times. It should do it. So here's the app. Hit accept. Tap add controller. This is an ESP-Me. And it says thank you for purchasing. Okay, basically go to the settings app. So I'm going to go to the settings app and select the Wi-Fi. So now in my Wi-Fi settings, I see the Rainbird. I'm just going to click on Rainbird. Wait for it to connect. Okay, it's connected. So now I'm going to go to the Rainbird app. Once I'm in the Rainbird app, I can just hit next. And it says, okay, I'm going to hit next. And now this should work. I forgot to mention, it should be on the auto or else it won't work. Alright. I don't know what this is saying. Use cellular data. Anyways, it says ESP-Me. Okay, so basically giving it a name. So I recommend doing your street address. I'm going to do that off camera, obviously. Basically after that, it asked me for my zip code and that kind of stuff, and then now it's asking for my Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi password. So you're going to put that in and hit next. As you can see, that's the controller. Alright, that's the end of the video. As you can see, it is set up now, and that is my controller. And I just wanted to demo how this works. So see, that's zone 4. I'm going to hit 1 minute. I'm going to hit start, which is a running zone. As you can see, it is now on.